Data shows increasing sales of home coffee machines. New data has shown an increase in 4% in the sale of home espresso machines. The market of espresso machines for domestic use has increased in recent years, with a growing specialty coffee culture within the UK. This year saw an increase of 3.93% in the sale of espresso machines compared to 2024. Espresso machines differ from pod-style coffee machines by allowing consumers to choose any type of coffee possible, which they can then use within the machine without the constraints of needing compatible pods from selected companies. The revenue of this market amounts to $355 million annually, with a number of companies developing home espresso machines, ranging from bean-to-cup machines to conventional espresso machines, giving consumers greater opportunities to make barista-style coffee within their home. One company known particularly for their affordable and durable espresso machines is Gadger, with their Gadger Classic Pro model costing as little as £300 new, though they are also widely available second-hand. The success of companies such as Gadger has shown the UK's coffee culture is becoming far more discerning, with a growing demand for high-quality coffee for those with a passion for coffee, pivoting away from the successes of pod-style machines over the last decade, which saw corporations such as Nescafe create captive markets through which to sell their coffee. This growing demand is being pushed in particular by a number of coffee influencers, such as YouTuber James Hoffmann, a self-described coffee geek who was a pioneer of the third wave movement within the coffee industry, a term used to describe a move towards more sustainable coffee produced and sold with clear origins. His videos give consumer advice around all aspects of the coffee industry, from discussing the economics of coffee pods to the best domestic coffee machines. The industry of home espresso machines is expected to continue to rise, projected to increase by 4.07% annually up to 2030, with the total number of machines to be 1.97 million units.